Hey everybody, John with Modlite here today, bringing you guys a quick video on a question we get a lot, which is why does my light blink 3 times? So a lot of people notice when they're using their lights, whether it's weapon mounted or handheld, you have it turned on and it'll blink 3 times. This is actually a feature that we have included in our lights. The reason we have this feature is because when you're using your light, you don't want it to go from 100% output to 0 and die if you need it. This feature acts as a notification to the user, letting them know that the battery is down to 3 volts and needs to be charged. So if you're using your light, whether it's handheld or weapon mounted, you can still continue to use it, but when it blinks, it means you need to either swap out a fresh battery or get your current battery on the charger. If you guys have any further questions or think that your battery or head may be faulty, see our video on troubleshooting light functions.